King of the world.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to School of Superlink. I'm gonna ask you to watch, learn something, memorize something, focus. I'm gonna just let the show begin. It's your time. Alright guys, one of my friends asked me to show him how we cruise scania. Okay guys, this is very simple. It's very simple. Okay, you come here, this is your cruise control. You see, check ref counter there. If you cruise it, you see where's my ref counter? It's on cruise control. You can do it maybe if it's losing air, like maybe you parked and maybe a trailer is leaking air or a truck is leaking air, you are in a hurry, you want to cruise it so that you can fill up air quickly and you hit the road, you can use it. Then let's switch it off. 0. You see it's off. I'm gonna ask you to focus here on the screen. This was happening here. This one is when you go downhill. This one is the one that we just cruise it now. Let me come this side so that you can you see we have 2 cruise control here. Straight one, downhill one. Okay, what's happening here? As you can see here, I was driving 80 km per hour. So this side is 85. You see, so that means once I cruise it, so once I cruise it 80 km per hour, guys, as you can see it was on 80 km and I didn't switch this one on. They must be on, both of them. So if I cruise it 80 km and this side is off, when I found a downhill, the truck is not gonna hold itself. Why the truck is not gonna hold itself? Because I didn't switch this cruise control on. Hope you get it right. They must be on, both of them. So if it's on 80 km just like that, and this side is 85 km, I will cruise them both so that if my speed, let's say I'm traveling 80 km per hour, right? This truck is going to hold itself on 85 km per hour. Understand? If I cruise it 75 km per hour and this side I'm gonna cruise it 80, so that means my truck is gonna hold itself on 80 km per hour. Hope we got it right, but you must make sure both crews are on so that the truck can hold itself when you're found downhill. If this side is not on, then the truck is gonna just move because it didn't cruise it this side. Understand? So you cruise it right there, just like that one. So cruise start with 15 kilometer per hour. Once you start driving 15 kilometer per hour, then you can cruise your truck. Okay, by the way, more Villas engine. Let me go pee, and then I'll show you when we hit the road. Alright guys, another thing, we have plus, we have minus. So let's see, now I'm on, it was on 8, and then I want to go to 75. You come here, you see minus, just like that. Plus. You decrease, you increase, same as this side. So yeah, I want to show you. Let's hit the road, and then you'll see there. Let me do this so that you can see properly. Alright, both of them, they start cruising. See, I'm on 15 kilometer per hour. I'm gonna cruise it. You see? You see? Both cruise control are green. This is changing itself. So you need to make sure they are all green. You see? Hope you get it right, guys. You see? I'm not that. Here's my legs here. You see? It's moving. It's changing itself. See? Here's my feet here. You see? So yeah. It's moving. You see? Alright guys, now I'm gonna hit the road. We need to focus now. It's changing itself. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you got it right. This is School of Superlink. We don't take chances here. We watch, we learn, we memorize, we focus. I'm gonna just let the show begin. Trigoda Transport, the School of Superlink CEO. Thank you so much. God bless you and your family. I love you all. Peace. We the best drivers, we don't rush.